Hello, today we will guide you through how to change chart settings in Exness App. To get started, open the Exness App on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all menu options are visible and responsive. If you are already signed in, you can go straight to the next part. If not, simply access your account first so you can reach the trading area where chart settings are available. Once you are inside the app, look at the navigation bar near the bottom of the screen and tap on Trade. This section is where you can view available instruments and access the chart interface connected to each symbol. It is the main area you will use when you want to adjust how charts appear while monitoring price movement. After that, tap on a sample symbol from the list. This opens the trading view for that instrument and gives you access to its chart-related options. If you are following along in real time, just choose any symbol that is available in your app, since the process for changing chart settings is generally the same. Opening a symbol first is important because the chart settings are usually tied to the chart view itself. When the symbol screen is open, move your attention to the top right corner and tap on Settings. This is where Exness groups several customization options so you can adjust the platform to match your preferences. Depending on your app version, the settings icon may appear as a gear or a simple menu icon, so take a quick look if you do not spot it immediately. Inside Settings, tap on Charts. This takes you to the section specifically designed for chart display preferences. Here, the app lets you control how chart information is presented, making it easier to read and analyze based on your trading style. This area is especially useful if you prefer a cleaner look or want a chart type that feels more familiar. Finally, select a sample chart. This step allows you to choose the chart style you want to use. Once selected, the chart display will reflect your choice, helping you view market movement in the format that works best for you. If you are comparing styles, take a moment to notice which one feels easiest to read before continuing with your trading activity. And that's it. You have successfully accessed the chart settings in the Exness app and selected a chart option. If needed, you can revisit the same menu anytime to update your chart view again.